Building a career in tech, tips and advice. In today's rapidly evolving technology landscape, building a successful career requires more than just technical skills. Adaptability, forward thinking, and a proactive approach are key. Begin by identifying the specific area within tech that excites you the most, whether it's software development, cybersecurity, data science, or another niche. Once you have a focus, seek out certifications and advanced courses to deepen your expertise. Portfolio development is crucial. Work on real-world projects that showcase your skills and knowledge. Connect with mentors who can provide guidance and open doors to new opportunities. Always keep an eye on the latest industry trends and how they might impact your field. The importance of continuous learning in technology. The tech industry is characterized by rapid change and innovation. To remain relevant and competitive, continuous learning is not optional but necessary. Invest time in online courses, workshops, and conferences to stay updated on the latest tools and technologies. Participate in coding boot camps, contribute to open source projects, and consider joining professional organizations. These activities not only enhance your skill set, but also expand your professional network. Make learning a daily habit. Dedicate at least an hour each day to studying new concepts or improving existing ones. Embrace a growth mindset, where challenges are viewed as opportunities to learn and grow. Networking and personal branding for tech entrepreneurs. For tech entrepreneurs, building a strong network and personal brand can be as critical as developing a groundbreaking product. Networking starts with active participation in tech communities, both online and offline. Attend industry conferences, meetups, and webinars to connect with like-minded professionals. Leverage social media platforms to share your insights, projects, and milestones. Writing technical blogs or creating vlogs can establish you as a thought leader in your field. Personal branding is about showcasing your unique value proposition. What sets you apart from others? Consistency in your messaging and professional presentation is key. Authenticity is crucial. People are more likely to connect and collaborate with those who are genuine and passionate about their work. In summary, a successful tech career is a blend of ongoing learning, strategic networking, and robust personal branding. By proactively managing these aspects, tech professionals can navigate their career paths with confidence and achieve long-term success.